Welcome to the testing world. So in previous session we have seen what is string, what is string handling, and how we can perform some common operations on string. So previously we have seen group 1 where we have performed these simple operations. Now I'll show you group 2. Here we will perform some more operations on the string. So first of all, I want to replace data in a string. Let me go to Eclipse and here. So I have a string. I want to replace this ting with a capital Ting. So what we can do? So we can simply write s.replace. Now when we are replacing, we can replace either one character or more than one character. So as of now, I want to go for more than one character. So I'm saying on the place of ting, just write capital Ting. So you can easily understand we are replacing some data with some other data. Okay. Now 4 characters are replaced with other 4 characters. So it's not like if you have 4 characters, you will replace with the 4 character. What you can do, I'm saying on the place of ting, just write 2 times and symbol. I'll just execute. We got and here. So we can replace group of character or we can replace single character. So I would say on the place of E, just write %. So you can replace any value. It could be one character or more than one character. Running it, you are getting % symbol. So first operation that we have seen is to replace data in a string. Okay. Now I'll show you one practical example and one interview question which you face very frequently. Okay, as of now, this is a string. I need to find out, do we have E in this string or not? If yes, then how many times? Okay, if you try to understand the logic, so there we have to run a loop. We'll go to the each and every character and check it is a E there or not. And if yes, we will count it. But we don't want to use loop. How we can do it? So it's a one line answer. How we can do it? Let me show you. I'm just writing like s.length. Print the length minus s.replace. Replace E with nothing. And then find length. So what will happen? If I say as of now my length would be 13. So it will just display 13 minus replace E with nothing. It means wherever you are getting E, just remove that. So after removing that, it will find the final length, which will be 12. Now original length was 13 minus 12. Answer is 1, means 1 E is there. If you want, you can check it. I'll just run it. We got 1. Okay, what I do? I'll just add some more E here. So now we have total 3 E. Execute, we got 3. Why? Because original length is 15. After removing E becomes 12. 15 minus 12, answer is 3. So that is a very simple question you will face in automation interviews. So here we have seen how we can do replacement. Now concatenate 2 or more string. Now perform concatenation of 2 or more string. So if I say that is my testing word is a one string, I have another string s1 in which we have written India. I want to concatenate these 2 strings. So one simple operation is s plus s1. So whenever you are using plus with string, it will go for concatenation. If we go plus with numeric data, it will do addition. I'm just going for execution. Here we got testing word India. But before India, I want space. So what I'll do? Concatenate s with space and then s1. So it will display testing word space India. So we can concatenate any number of strings by using plus. One more option we have a method with the name concat. So what I can do? S concat s1. So it is going to concatenate these 2 strings. Okay. just going to execute again testing word India, but there is a no space. So what I can do, first concat with the space, then again I'm calling the method concat with s1. So we can call more than one method in a line. Answer is yes, we have seen that. Now it will show testing word India. So second, we have seen how we can go for the concatenation. Then find substring inside a string. Okay, if I say s substring, I need to fetch the substring from the string. I want to fetch from second index. So if you notice 0, 1, 2, I want to start from the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. I want to fetch from 2 to 8. So we have to mention 2 to 9 here. Why? Because last index is ignored. So if you are fetching 2 to 9, it will fetch from 2 to 8. We are fetching substring. Okay, if we don't give last value, it will just start from the second till end. So we have two options. Either we can give starting and index, or we can just give the starting index, it will fetch till end. So that is how to fetch substring. Next is check a string exists in another string. Okay, so if I say that's a testing word, I want to check in this, are we getting ing? We can check it like how? I would say if s dot contains. So contains is going to check that exist or not. So I'm saying ing. If that contains, print found, else not found. So that's very straightforward. Okay, now what will be the result value of this? Contains is going to return either true or false. So if this is true, means if the condition in if is true, it will execute this, else this. Okay, let me try to execute, will get found. Okay, what I do, I'll just check HEEHELLO, check it there. I'm just running it, we are getting not found. So that is how to check a string exists in another string or not. Last I'm coming to split string into the multiple substring. That is very important. Okay, I have written, I'm going to return in string hello. This is testing word. Okay, in this string we have many words. What I want to do, I want to split the string. Split means I want to break the string. So for breaking the string, we have to write split. It's a method split. Okay, on which behalf you want to break it? So I want to break on the behalf of space. So here on the behalf of a space, it is going to break this string. So it will be break into 5 substring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you break it on the behalf of space, it will break into 5 substring. Okay, means this method is going to return 5 values. So can we store into a variable? Answer is no, because it is going to return 5 values which cannot be stored in one variable, which can be stored in an array. So previously we have seen a basics about array. What I'm doing, whatever the value you are returning, I'm just storing into an array with the name ARR. Here is the bracket which showed it's an array, and the array is of type string. Now if you want to fetch all the values of the array, so hope you remember previously I explained for each loop. So what I'm doing, string a colon ARR. So here on the right hand side we are passing group of data name which is array. On the left hand side we are creating same type variable. Here we are creating a. Every time one value will come into the a, I am just printing it. So now we have seen how we can go for split, which is breaking the string into different words. So again I'll explain. First of all, we are calling the split method on string on the behalf of space. Okay, if I say I want to split on the behalf of hash, you will not find any hash here. So it will return only one value, which will store in this array, and it will print only one value because array can have one or more than one value. We are getting one value. But here if we split on the behalf of space, it will return many values. So all the values are stored here in the array, and then we are fetching the values from the array. So here in this session we have seen how we can use some more method on string. That's all we have. Thanks for watching this video.